So for the longest time, I've been trimming these fill tubes down. That today I wanted to show you one reason you may not want to trim that fill tube down. I've always thought just getting it out of the way was a good thing, but here's the reason is that if you have calcium and mineral deposits or high calcium and mineral content in your water, you're going to kind of want to rinse out the tank kind of regularly, and having some room to aim the hose and aim things around to rinse things off makes it nice and convenient to do. Now you can take a wet dry vacuum and vacuum out the bottom, and that's recommended once in a while, but you really want to be able to rinse off the sides. And you could get in there with a washcloth and do it that way, but you also could leave the fill tube a bit longer and then just use it as you see here. Use it to wash down the sides so that calcium and mineral content can be flushed down into the bowl or rinsed down into the bowl. You want to support this tube here. Don't just put it with one hand like I did. That's a bad idea. That tube in there can get pretty brittle over time, and I've had one snap off, so I really shouldn't have done it this way. Rinsing out this tank once in a while can help keep your toilet bowl cleaner longer. It's just getting rid of the mineral contents, so all that stuff's not settling inside the tank and looking all cloudy and everything. And also anything else that gets in there, sometimes sand or other debris can go through the system and get into the tank, or rust, and all those things will make the bowl dirtier faster. So this is just a nice way to keep things cleaner and maintain it once in a while, keep things going good.